Hey, so here's Low Island app. It's available in US App Store, and yeah, you can. The developer is CBS Interactive, and to install it, just tap on install. I think this is the app for US version of the show. Uh, if you want to get a UK version of the app, you need to go to UK App Store. But this is the app here, and yeah, the idea is that you can use this app to vote for contestants who leaves the island and who stays on it, and you need to allow notifications, and of course you can also visit the best previews, the best moments, all of that. There is also like shop here, so you can buy like famous Love Island. You can also shop the neon signs. You can register to vote, and you can register on 2 devices, and then you can follow everywhere. So yeah, in case you want to vote, here is the voting FAQs. Again, this is Low Island USA app, so it's not doesn't work for UK. So yeah, so you can vote by downloading the app, and then in order to vote you must first register. It's free to vote via the app. You can vote for deciding which islanders come and go from Villa. So yeah, you need to create an account. So yeah, you can also so that's that. There you have it. That's the app. You can also discover, and then you can also use some filters. So you can create all these different filters and yeah, just use them as well. So that's the fun part. So there you have it. Hope it is helpful.